Okay, so when you begin, you want to make sure to log in to your account of whatever vendor this is. For example, I'm trying to download Mark Records from Bound to Say Bound, and they told me it's in my email, or that through an email they told me that I can come to their website and download it. Some people send you CDs. These people, you have to do it through the website. So you click that, click download Mark Records. They've already been downloaded, I know, but I need to do it again. You always want to write down what it's called, or just try to remember. It's 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. Then you go to Destiny. Make sure to log in, of course. I'm already logged in. Go to Catalog. Okay, I need to re-log in. Go to Catalog. Then you go to Import Titles. I'm going to do this again, so let's see if it works. You go there. I'm just going to downloads, and I know it's on the, oh man, I can't seem to find it. On the very bottom. Really? Mouse does not want to work. You click on what it, you go to open file, then you go to import. I had already done this before, so it already said that, but of course you can, you're supposed to refresh. It says completed. You can go to view. It tells you that what was added. I had already added, so that's why it says 0 added. But you make sure that this is the right one. Yes, it is. And this is actually what they're called. Okay. And you're basically done. You go back to input titles. And you can go back to your circulation and continue on. Now when you scan the barcodes, it should be in your system.